ఈరోజు 4 ఆర్డర్స్ వచ్చినాయి ఆన్లైన్లో పెట్టినావా?
పెట్టినాం మేడం.
ఇవన్నీ ఈరోజు ఆర్డర్స్ కదా. సరే విద్య, మనము మన కస్టమర్స్కి కూడా చూపిద్దాం ఆన్లైన్లో ఏం ఆర్డర్స్ వచ్చినాయో, ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడెక్కడికి డిస్పాచ్ చేస్తున్నామో చూపిద్దాం.
Today order is so special. Today we are packing 4 orders and 2 customers are getting free gifts. And wait, who are eligible for the saree gifts, I will show you. So let's see the orders. First order is very beautiful lehenga. Just look at the blouse detailing. Very fully loaded embroidery detailing, very colorful multicolor thread, and it have V-neck and comes with 3/4 sleeve. It have intricate detailing work for the sleeve also, and here we go the back neck. Fully stitched blouse, and it's a free size blouse. You have to alter according to your size, and comes up to XXL size. And here's the dupatta. Netted dupatta comes with embroidery lace detailing, colorful lace detailing, and throughout the chunni comes with thread work, and it have very good length. Very beautiful color combination. It have very good length. And here we go the lehenga. Very beautiful lehenga comes with pure chignon silk fabric material, and it have 2 shades, yellow and pink mixed, and it have bamboo pattern detailing. It have very good gera, and this lehenga is perfect for now any occasion, grand occasions like sangeet and mehendi, haldi. And this customer is eligible for free saree gift, and this we are giving the gift for this customer. Kota silk saree, very beautiful color combination, comes with the exclusive print, and this is a free saree gift for this customer. And this we are shipping to Karnataka. This parcel is going to Karnataka. And coming to the second online order, very beautiful cord set. I just love this cord set in pure cotton fabric, comes with very lovely shade, and at the yoke part it have very beautiful print, and it comes with buttons here. And here we go the 3/4 sleeve, very lovely pattern, and toward the top comes with plain. And wait, you'll see the back side. Very beautiful print at the back side, very soft and very lightweight fabric, and it comes with lining, pure cotton lining for this, and it have high neck. So this very classy piece. So this is perfect for your office wear, casual wear, and for college going girls, this is perfect. And this comes the bottom, matching straight cut bottom, and the bottom is having very good fit, a relaxed bottom. And this is perfect for the summer. Why? Because this is in pure cotton fabric, so this will be perfect for summer office wear, college wear, and for casual wear. And this we are shipping to Kerala. This parcel is going to Kerala. And coming to the third order, this is in Mal cotton saree, comes with very beautiful pichwai print throughout the saree, and look at the color, very lovely sea green shade. Just look at the print, very lovely print, and throughout the saree comes with very beautiful print, and comes with small 1-inch zari border. Very lovely color, perfect saree for summer wear, and you can visit for temples. Just look at the pallu, contrast pallu with exclusive pichwai pattern. Very lovely saree, very lightweight and comfortable saree for summer purpose, and you can wear this saree for some pujas, festival wear, and for temple visits. And this will be the blouse. Wait, this is the blouse, running blouse with the contrast green shade, and it comes with very beautiful pattern with the 1-inch zari border for the blouse. And how is the saree look? Very pretty saree. This saree is perfect for any age group, and perfect saree for office wear also. And this beautiful saree is going to. And coming to the fourth order, this is the 5th time this customer is ordering with us. And let me show you the sarees. She ordered 3 sarees. And coming to the saree, this is Chettinadu cotton saree, very beautiful vibrant shade, comes in wine color, and the border is the highlight part. Just look at this border, very beautiful traditional zari weaving. And let me show you the sari in detail. Plain sari, the border is very beautiful, and here is the pallu. This will be the pallu and comes with kalamkari printed blouse. This is the blouse for this saree. Very lovely color combination. This saree is perfect for the summer, for temple visits, for casual wear, or going to some functions. This will be the perfect saree. And let me show you the second saree. Kanchi soft silk saree. Very lovely color combination. Very traditional color combination. Just look at this. This will be the saree part, and comes with golden zari buttas for the saree part. And this is the contrast pallu. Very rich woven zari pattern for the pallu side. The color combination looks very beautiful with the small zari border. And this will be the blouse, matching blouse, plain blouse with the border. Very beautiful saree. Very lightweight and very comfortable. This gives you very smooth draping. Perfect saree for any grand festivals or functions. And coming to the third saree. Again Kanchi soft silk saree with other color combination, and this also very pretty color combination. Comes in parrot green shade with the rani pink shade. Just look at this color combination. This is very pretty. This is the saree part, comes with zari butta weaving, and this is the pallu. Grand rich zari woven pallu with the contrast color, and this will be the blouse. Contrast plain blouse with the border. Very lovely sarees. This will be perfect for gifting purpose or wearing for temple visits. Very comfortable, very lightweight, and gives you very rich look at the budget friendly price. And this customer is eligible for free saree gift, and this is the saree we are gifting for her. Kota silk saree, very lovely color and very beautiful pattern, and this saree is perfect for the summer purpose. She ordered 3 sarees and we are giving 1 saree gift, so 4 sarees. This is the local order in Hanamkonda.
So today's online orders, these are 4 orders and these are ready to dispatch. In this, 2 customers got saree gifts, and thank you for trusting and shopping with us. Save this reel for your shopping.